How to add poll on Instagram Reels. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is tap on this plus button right here and go to Reels. You just have to click on camera, or you can also add something from your camera roll. Now, in order for us to add poll to our Instagram Reels, we have to make sure that your Instagram is up to date or up to the latest model. Have to go to your App Store or Play Store and check if it is updated. So we just have to capture this video right here. And once we're done, all we have to do is tap on next right here. Now, in order for us to add poll to our Instagram Reels, all we have to do is to tap on the sticker button right here. Although it might be not what we expected, but we just have to tap on this quiz button right here in order for us to add poll to our Instagram Reels. So we just have to give a question. It doesn't really have to make sense right now. Hit on done when we're done. There, once we're done editing, all we have to do is to tap on this next button right here and then share this to our feed. So that's how to add poll on Instagram Reels. Hope we helped.